front, Monte bow, lay, yoi, exchange top hand, elbow up high, exchange elbow up high to here, that's yoi. Arrivete, out, kamai, I come here, nose level to here, strong. Suriachi, block outside, break hand, over the top, go a little deeper, bring your bow back, and then turn your bow. It's important to turn, and then uke, shikodachi, step back, block out low, pull the bow, strike head, bring it in, just left hand, step 45 degrees, block, right? Now from here, watch, I go over the top, head, chest, elbow area, knee, augmented stance, pull my bow back and step. Turn around, step for the head. Head strike, groin, suriachi, step. Now I'm back to the front. Block slow, break the hand over the top. This is very important. I'm actually stepping forward but bringing my bow back so I can get underneath and then step for the throat. Yame. 1, 2, all the way down.